Kurya is to eat. Kurya is to eat. No. Kurya ninza kurya. I'm going to eat. If you tell a person, where are you? Nozahi. Then you say ninza kurya. Or you say ninyenda kurya. Ninyenda kurya. That means you're telling a person, you are telling no mugambera chikwaja ninyenda kurya. Ninyenda kurya.
I want to eat.
Yes, exactly. I want to eat. Then we have kukunda. We had looked at this kukunda. That one, kukunda means to love or to like. If you say ninkunda enyama, that means I like meat. Ninkunda enyama, I like meat. Then if you are talking of okay, I love meat or I like meat. Then you go to kutaha. That is to go home. To go home. To go ninyenda kutaha. Ninyenda kutaha. You're telling a person that I want to go home. If you say ninza kutaha omu mwabazyo. Omu mwabazyo. You are meaning what? Ninza kutaha.
Ninza kutaha ninza kutaha omu mwabazyo. I will go home
in the evening. Omu mwabazyo means evening. Ninza kutaha omu mwabazyo. Ninza kutaha omu kiro. I will go home in the night. Omu kiro. Ninza kutaha omu kiro. I will go home in the night. Then
what about I will go tomorrow. I'll go home tomorrow.
Ninza kutaha nyencha kare. Ninza kutaha nyencha kare. Nyencha kare. Nyencha kare. That means tomorrow. Nyencha kare is tomorrow. Then yesterday, I think I did not told you. Yesterday is nyomwabazyo. Nyomwabazyo. That is yesterday. So if you want to tell the person that I went home yesterday, you say ntahire nyomwabazyo. Ntahire. Ntahire. Oh, what? Ntahire. This will be replaced by ntahire. Nyomwabazyo. Nyomwabazyo. That means I went home yesterday. So nyomwabazyo. I went home yesterday. This ire is the same like when you're going to say okutayaya, okutayaya, if okutayaya, that if I tell a person oije ontayayire, you come and visit me, so I add oije ontayayire. That is replaced by ire. It becomes, so that's why here okutaha, if I say ntahire nyumwebazyo, that is I went home yesterday. So this I replace it with ire. Then we have kuba. Kuba, that is to be. Okay, don't worry. This one is kureva. Kureva. That is kureva is to see. To see. I think you remember that. Kureva. If I want to say a person that I've seen you, how do I say it? I've seen you, or I'm seeing you. Ninkureva. I'm seeing you. Ninkureva. I am seeing you. Then we have kureta. Kureta, that is to bring. Kureta, that is bring. I can say reta mizi. I'm telling the person that bring water. If I say reta embuzi, I'm telling the person that bring the goats. Yeah. Then we have kuhinga. That is to cultivate or to do gardening. If I say ninza kuhinga, yes, ninza kuhinga obushaza. Hello. Ninza kuhinga obushaza. What do I mean there? Ninza kuhinga obushaza. Yes. That means
to dig. I will dig, or I will cultivate. What is obushaza?
Obushaza is cowpeas.
Yes.
Obushaza. Ninza kuhinga oburo. Oburo, that is millet. Ninza kuhinga oburo. I'm going to cultivate millet. Ninza kuhinga ebichori. I'm going to cultivate maize. There is another word that is almost close to. There is a word called kwombera. This kwombera is kwombera. For it begins with KW. Kwombera. That is to weed. Kwombera is to weed. So you say ninza kwombera ebicoori. You meaning I'm going to weed? Ninza kwombera ebicoori. I'm going to weed maize. Then, hello.
Yes.
Then we have the word like
I was still on this one.
Kwombera. Yeah, it means to weed. Ninza kwombera ebicoori. I'm going to weed. Okay, if I say ninza kwombera ebicoori byanje, I'm going to weed my maize. This word kwombera is to weed. Ninza kwombera omwata. Omwata means weeds. Omwata
is weed.
Weeds. Ninza kwombera omwata. Omwata. That is weeds. I'm going to weed the weeds. Or you can just say I'm going to weed. Ninza kwombera omwata. Then we have kuronda. That is to look for. If I say ninza kuronda, that means I'm going to look for you. Ninza kuronda. I'm going to look for you. Then we have kunywa, to drink. That one we have been using it. Kunywa obushera, to drink orange.
Ninza kunywa eshande. I don't know if I will forget eshande. Already in my head.
Eshande. It is a very sweet juice. Have you ever taken it?
No, I have to. Once I come to Uganda.
No. We had some young children. They had grown up in town and they had never seen it. So for them, they thought it was soap. Because it makes that foam. And that foam is called orfuro. So for them, when they saw this orfuro foam on top of a liquid, and they thought it was soap. So for them, they were calling it sabuni. Because soap, we call it sabuni. So for them, they say, they said sabuni.
I think it's what does not change. I think it's sabun does not change. Even Swahili sabun, even in Arabic.
Yes. Sabuni. So they were saying, sabuni mzuri. That soap is sweet. So it took us time to explain to them. Otherwise, they were going to be getting soap and they dissolve it in water.
And they mix it.
And they think they are making. I didn't explain to them that no, this is a sand, it is not sabun. Then we have kumanyisa, to mean. Yeah, if I want to ask a person that No man. What do you mean? That is no manisachi. What do you mean? This chi is what? We are going to look at it now. Chi means what? No manisachi. What do you mean? This no manisa. No manisachi. What do you mean?
Okay.
So we go to another kujendana, to go together. To go together. If you
To
want,
go together?
yes, or to accompany. Ija tugendane. Here meaning come and we go together. Ija tugendane. Or so if it is being used, this word, this a changes to a. Tugendane. Ntuza kugendana, there it remains. But if you are using it to mean something like ija tugendane, mugendane, you are telling people that they should go together. That is kugendana. Then we have kuhereza. Kuhereza, to give. If I want to tell a person that you will give me money, you will give me money, I say noza kumpereza. Noza kumpereza a cent. That now it has something that this kuhereza, when it is accompanied, there are some circumstances when it becomes, the H changes to P. Noza kumpereza, then I can say ninza kumuhereza. Kumuhereza sente. I will give him money. Ninza kumuhereza. Then here, noza kumpereza. You will give me money. So if you are going to give it to, if we are using it, if you are using this word to give, hello. 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 Madam. Nyabo. Nyabo. Hello, Nyabo. Hello, Nyabo. Hello, Nyabo. Hello, Nyabo. Hello. Hello. Hello? Hello? Yeah, rejoin. You see, top 10 places to visit in. Top 10 places to visit in Runyankole. I'm going to make this top 10 places to visit in Uganda. Top 10 places to visit in Hello? Top 10 places to visit in Uganda. I want to make that video. Top 10 places to visit in Uganda. Hello? Are you back? Top 10 places to visit in Uganda. Oh, you're back. Yes, you're welcome. So, I was still saying that this word kuhereza, if you are using it like if they are giving to you, if they are going, if you are applying, meaning that hello. So if you are using this word to mean that they are going to give you something, it becomes
Hello?
Yes, I'm hearing you. It becomes kumpereza. Here.
Yes, hello. You hear me now?
I'm hearing you. If this word is applying to you, if it is applying to you, you are going to give something to a person, then this word kuhereza, if you are meaning that it is going, you are going.
Yes.
If they are going to give you something. Hello. If this word kuhereza stroke kuha, kuha. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. You don't hear me?
I'm hearing you. So this word,
Okay, that's good.
and it also means kuha. Kuha is the same as to give. To give. So if you tell a person that, and when it is applying to you, you as a person, then it becomes this H becomes, it turns to MP. You get it? So if you are going to tell, if you tell a person that you're going to give me, you say noza kumpereza. Noza kumpereza. Noza kumpereza. You are going to give me. But if you are going to give another person, then it remains as kumuhereza. Noza kumuhereza sente. You will give him money. This mu becomes you. It is you. If you say ninza kuhereza sente, I'm going to give you money. Then we have kushaba. That is to pray or to ask for. Ninkushaba. Ninkushaba ogarukemu. Ninkushaba ogarukemu. Ogarukemu echo. I ask you or I request you to repeat. Ninkushaba ogarukemu echo. You are saying ninkushaba ogarukemu echo. That is, I'm requesting you to repeat that one, because echo means that one. Ninkushaba ogarukemu, asking the person to repeat. Okugarukamu is to repeat. Then kutumisa. Garukamu. That
means what?
Yes. Garukamu.
You said Ninkushaba ogarukemu. What?
Ogarukemu. I ask you to repeat.
To repeat?
Repeat.
Yes, I got this. I got this.
The word okugarukamu means to repeat, but when you are using it in a sentence, the a changes to a. Ninkushaba ogarukemu. That is if you are applying it to another person. But if it is to you,
okay,
it is ngarukamu. Reply to me. So
really?
Yes. Ngarukamu. Like if I say ngarukamu.
Repeat for me.
Repeat. Ngarukamu. Reply. It is reply. Ngarukamu.
It's reply. Reply me, yeah?
Reply to me. Ngarukamu. Ngarukamu.
Okay.
Then we have kutumisa. That is to order. Kutumisa is to order. To order or to send for. Kutumisa. If you want to tumisa soda, that means order for soda. Tumisa emere, that one is meaning order for food.
Okay.
Then we have Kuyamba, to help. If I'm saying help me, I say nyamba.
Okay.
Then kugabura. Kugabura is to serve.
Ninja kuyamba is I will help you, huh? Right?
I will help you. Kugabura is to serve. If you want to ask people, kugabura, you say mwagaburachi. What have you served? What have you served? Ma means it is asking them like, what have you? Ma is you. You. What have you served? Mwagaburachi. Then you will say nagabura nyama. I have served food. Nagabura amazing. Nagabura meat. Nagabura soda. Then kwenda, that is to want. That's how we have something. I think I've been bringing that word like no yenda chini nyenda. So it comes from this word. Kwenda is to want.
Tinkwenda. I don't want them.
Tinkwenda, I don't want.
How you pronounce this word in the right way? It's tinkwenda or tinkwenda. Like that letter D doesn't sound out when you're pronouncing it. Or
tinkwenda. Tinkwenda, I don't want. Tinkwenda. Then if you are meaning a person that I don't want, you say tinkukwenda.
But yesterday we saw one with D.
Wanji? Hello?
Then yesterday I was saying that I said yesterday we saw one with letter D.
Letter D.
Hey.
This is...
Yes, or I'm the one who made a mistake. I don't know. It was Tinkwenda. It was T-I-N-D I with Kwenda.
No.
Understand?
No.
It was a mistake, yeah?
Yesterday, what was it? Of course, Tinkwenda. I don't remember. Because D must, I don't know where. You will give me that scenario that you wrote, then I can see where you made a problem, a mistake.
Okay, I have it. I will send it to you.
Yeah.
You remember the questions and answers you had yesterday?
The questions.
Yes, yeah, because I screenshotted it.
Maybe you wrote something wrongly. So if you want to tell a person that I don't want you, you say tinkukwenda. Tinkukwenda. I don't want you.
Okay.
Then we have kuteka, that is to cook or to boil. We have kubanza, that is to do first. If I say banza warya, banza warya, first eat, first eat. Banza wanaba, banza wanaba, first wash, first shower. Banza wanaba. Yes. Banza wanaba. Then Heza is to finish. So I think we're gonna end our lesson. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
We have the word
Yes.
kuheza. Kuheza is to finish. Kuheza. So I can say, if you want to say I have finished, you say naheza. Naheza. Then you can say twaheza. Like for today, twaheza.
Okay.
Yeah, twaheza. 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 Yes.
Are you done, right?
Yes.
To ask somebody and say waheza.
You ask the person and say waheza. Waheza.
Okay.
So I can win it tomorrow. Turevane nyenchakale. That one I will say. Let me see how to write it. Let's see how to write it. Turevane nyenchakale. Turevane nyenchakale. Easy. Turevane. Turevane nyenchakale. We meet tomorrow. Then I say obusinji uveniwe.
Obusinji is it? Yeah?
Obusinji uveniwe.
What is embabazi?
Embabazi is grace. Grace. Embabazi it means grace. That means grace. Grace or favor. If a person has embabazi, that means that person does not easily disturb, does not easily punish others. He has embabazi. So obusinje bubeniwe. You reply that if I say peace be with you, don't you also reply that peace be with you? You say niwe bubeniwe. And also with you. So actually you can even say embabazi zizahariwe, zive ahariwe. You're meaning that let that person find grace wherever he or she is going. Embabazi zive ahariwe.
Okay, Mr. Dennis, I want to ask you one thing first before you go.
Eh,
Okay?
yes.
Okay. Can you read for me this in Runyankole, like onsen?
Like
I was telling you.
I was
I
telling you. Nava. That means I was. Then ninkugambira. Nava
ninkugambira.
Ni Ni means I. Then gambira is tell. This Nava is the one that is saying I was. It is was. Nava.
Okay, thank you.
Ninkugambira. This ni is I. Then Nava was. Kugambira telling you. This
Nava
ninkugambira. I was telling you.
Okay.
Nava ninkugambira. Aha. Mushomesa. I was telling you about my teacher. Nava ninkugambira. Aha. Mulimo gwanje. I was telling you about my job. Omulimo, that is a job. Mulimo.
So her height like that.
Eh? I was telling you about my job. Nava ninkugambira. Aha. Mulimo gwanje. And then you can say ninkugambira. It means I'm telling you. So this Nava brings out the I was. Okay.
Okay.
So bye. I commend people for